Good morning. Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday. Good morning. It is Tuesday, October 12th. Let me just share this in the groups and then we can talk about what I have going on here. I need to go to the other group anyway. Oh, you don't know what I need to do. All right. Hey. All right, so I can minimize this. So I have gold. This gold isn't going to take a trade, so I might as well just close it out because the market's opening in 1 minute. The next, I hate the way that sounds. The next 45-minute candle would be at 9:45, I believe it is, or 10:15. I think it's 10:15. I'm gonna have to look. And if that was the case, it's not gonna work out anyway because the strategy ends at 10 o'clock. RTY already moved out of the zone, so this is RTY here. It already moved out of the range earlier, so unless it does like a big move back, then it probably won't do anything. I gotta update my swing levels. Let's see, but none of this happens till 5 minutes after anyway. Like ES takes 5 minutes. Gold, this isn't gonna work out. This will be done unless this makes a new low. That would be the only option here. That would be the only option. All right, let me find these. NQ 1820s 637. That is a big range. Look at this drop. I guess this drop could have happened. We were talking about this for the 5-minute setup, but they looked really nice and strong, so maybe this is just a fake pullback. 820, this is a huge range today. So we're in the middle of it. Oh, there's ES. 4386. So we were kind of talking about this earlier. That's the only thing with RTY, but it doesn't look like RTY is going to. That would be really the only way we would get a trade. We'll see what happens with ES here. So I can minimize that. So I have RTY, which I'm thinking is not going to do anything. Gold, unless in the next 10 minutes this closes lower than 1753, we're not going to have that. ES is creating the range now. It has another few minutes. So Looking good, looking good. And then after, really the only reason I came on now is because of ES, because, oh, do I have my NQ day set up? Where's my NQ day? Oh, here it is. I was looking at something last night. Look at that, though. Alright, NQ is a 20-minute setup. Alright, I have 1 more minute till ES looks to take a trade. I'm going to set up this NQ day. NQ day.
Okay. Order filled. Order filled.
Which one was that? What was I trying to do long? I definitely should.
Order filled.
That's a nice move out, though. Alright, what's... Oh, no, sorry. ES is a 10-minute range, but it's on a 5-minute candle. I forgot about that. Alright, so I'm in that one position. See, I guess I could have held yesterday, but I had a big dip. Alright, I'll take that one away. We'll see what the other ones do. Alright, NQ. NQ doesn't trade until 10:30, 10:40, so nothing really crazy to watch there. If you guys have questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Hey, Enzo, good morning. See, the only thing for gold is if it can, in the next 8 minutes, get lower than this, then it will take a short. But I don't know if I see that happening. We'll have to see. We will have to see. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? Sorry, I want to pull out my TD account so I can put $52. Alright, I was going to Actually, I just want to make it smaller. I just want to put it over here. All right. All right, so nothing happening yet. We'll see in 1 minute. Yes, we'll start its range. Then really nothing else. I'm going to close out gold in a few minutes. RTY doesn't seem like it's doing much. Kind of this whole setup is definitely a little slower at the open, which I'm fine with. All right, so ES created its zone. This is what it will be trading off of. I'll get my chart trader on because I might take a short here. I'll give it 5 more minutes, but I don't think gold is going to get down here, so. Oh, Dennis, are you on this? I wanted to see if... Which one is this? Yeah, I think, Dennis, I think that's the best it's going to be. Just because I have to, if I'm not showing one chart, I'm showing 4. So I think this is just how it is. But yeah, I was going to see if it's any clearer. It's so weird that it's, see, and I did all those updates. I don't know why it's fuzzy. Hey, does anybody else have a fuzzy scene? When I watch it back, it always seems pretty clear. Like sometimes I'll watch it, it will come up like on my YouTube on my TV, or I'll just play it like on my phone, and it looks pretty clear. All right, RTY is pushing. I don't think we're going to get this. This gold, definitely not going to get. I want to see what it was trying to do.
Order filled.
Oh, I could probably turn this off now. RTY is beasting. Alright, I don't think... So ES is just in the middle of this range. Okay, thanks, Kevin. You can see ES is breaking out here. ES does need a confirmation candle, so it's gonna need a follow-up before it does anything else. Did I turn my NQ on? Where are my swing zones? Let's see what's going on with those. Nothing yet. These are so big today. Like, look at, these are huge ranges. So, just waiting. Alright, so gold didn't meet the requirements, so that's done. ES is probably going to take, it's going to take a short here after this candle, so at 950. And Q's breaking out of this range that I like too. Oh, MasterCard. Oh, it's actually like going against it today. I might just have to hold. Actually, no, I probably won't. I think FOMC is tomorrow. I have to look. I guess I should have waited for 350 to clear, because that is where the issue happened. So nothing happening yet. ES will take a short here at 950, but nothing else right now. Swings are still nothing. There are no swings yet. And Q won't trigger until 10:30 or 10:40, along with natural gas, but I don't have natural gas up today. I guess I could. I guess I could. You know, I haven't even sipped my tea yet. Alright, what was I doing here? Oh, natural gas. Natural gas. But I only take one, not two. Because this shit is wild. Alright. Watching ES. Well, it's not like I have to do much. It's going to take a short regardless. In 2 minutes. I could put that little countdown thing. I keep talking about it yesterday, so maybe I'll put it on here. Timer. Is it called a bar timer? I think. Oh yeah, 1 minute and 9 seconds before the next candle starts. Okay. Natural gas, NQ. This range that I created here for NQ, it just pulled back. Andy, are you on? Probably not. I was going to say if Andy's on the stream. We were talking about this last night. $68, 70 points last night. See, since then it looks like it would have. I guess not. I never got a confirmation. Boom, boom.
Order submitted.
All right, I'm in this ES short. I need to change this to dollars. Yeah, I'm not like a huge fan of this. We talked about trend trading last week. Did we talk about that? We'll see. NQ's actually dropping back too. We'll see. We'll give it a little bit. We'll give it a little bit. Give it a little bit. Ron, if you're on the stream and this is a huge loss, this is all your fault. I don't know why. I wasn't going to run ES today. I think because... I don't know. I think because I was just focusing on R2I. Nice job, Chris. He's up 1,300 on the day. He's done already. Where's Ron? I'm going to say his precious ES is in a trade. I've never been a huge ES fan, but... it is what it is. I'm going to be moving these stops down because there's no reason for me to expose myself to that much. When NQ is coming back in the zone here, R2Y is pushing super hard. Not saying it can't come back down, but there's no reason for me to keep my stop all the way up there, so I'm not going to.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. $1,200.
Order filled.
The market is pushing, so... And this is why I didn't like the long in the NQ 5-minute either. This is what I said earlier today. I mean, this is why I didn't like the short in the NQ 5-minute, which mine didn't trigger, which was fine, but... So I'm down $1,300 because I turned on ES. Fucking ES. I hate ES. Always. Even though it did good yesterday. So it can't be results oriented. But it's just natural. When I saw NQ pulling back in this gray zone, it had me questioning this ES trade. But if it doesn't go all the way up here and it moves back down, then I'll really kick myself because that would just be silly. That would just be silly. Let me put some sauce in here. right, so it is 10 o'clock. There's not going to be another trade until 10:30, 10:40, which will be natural gas and the NASDAQ. So I might jump off and jump back on. What time is it? 9:54, coming up on 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens. NQ for life. I totally agree. NQ's the strongest. Also, what's going on with swings? I'm sure still nothing because the freaking ranges are so big. Yeah, no. Still just in the middle. Still just in the middle. Oh, look at that short. That was nice. I want to just... Oh, here we go. This is moving up. Well, I'm just looking at some other stuff. All right, I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I'll come back on at 10:30, 10:40 to show you the NASDAQ. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. I'll be back. Bye.